Alright, back again to this thing here. Continuation. Alright, troubleshooting the car communication computer. This is the wire diagram for it, otherwise called, supply to audio system controller. Alright, this is where now we check the ground here. The ground is okay, it's a brown wire. And this one here also is a transistor right here that has this is the emitter, this is the base, and this is the collector. The emitter is always tied to the ground of the car, and this one where these symbols right here is like a round ball, it's like a stroke under it, it means that it's all ground. So on. This is a transistor right here. Sorry, not a this is a transistor, and this is a resistor right here. This resistor cuts down the voltage that goes to this transistor, as I can see, because like I said, 20 amps comes in here, and then there's another connection inside of the module itself that takes 20 amps and bring it somewhere else. But this resistor here prevents probably 12 volts from passing through this, or it really cuts down the amperage. Either it cut down the amperage or it cut down the voltage and so on. So that is what resistors is used for, to resist current and so on. So basically put, the amount of electrons that is streaming from this side is resisted here on the ground side here. So they have this resistor that is protecting a ground circuit on the inside of this board. That is terminal 31, which is ground. And as we can see here, we have to check this wire now for voltage. This one would be red with brown stripe. Red with brown stripe. Alright. Red with brown stripe. Let's find a red here with brown stripe. This one is red with black stripe. Yeah, this is it right here. This is the voltage wire. Red with brown stripe. I don't know if I could put this thing some more. Oops, man, I touched on the phone. Shit. There it goes. See that? This is red wire with brown stripe. Yep, this is it. Red wire with brown stripe. This is the voltage that comes here. But if voltage didn't come to it, the fan wouldn't turn, because the fan is powered by the internal circuits of the car communication computer, and so on and so forth. And this is it right here. The white wire is a diagnosis wire. The white wire is a diagnosis wire here, and the brown is ground, and this one is red with black stripe is the power plus side coming out from the board, and this one is ground, and this one is diagnosis wire of the fan. But the fan works, so we know that there's an internal fault in the CCC, in the CCC car communication computer, and so on and so forth. And these are voltage wires for these switches and so on. These are belonging to these and so on. Alright, so I think I'm gonna pull up the cast now. Go this piece of crap. Time is going fast. Right now it's 12 o'clock. Alright, so basically put, there's no more terminal control problem with cast here. Car communication, is the bus connection okay? Well, I couldn't tell. You see, I don't know. I don't fucking know. This is at fault here because this is problem. What can I do? I could just find a way to test this power. And to lift it all out. Alright, good. Lift it all out. You can't test this. It has to be taken out of it, and it's kind of a bit difficult to take out. Alright, so I pull that off. So what I can do now is to test these wires here with my multimeter as the power is going to them. Where's my meter? Test this wiring. Alright, so what I gotta do now is test this base to see if there's a power issue here. Yeah, there goes voltage. Yeah, there goes voltage on the wires. And just to take this camera up just to be sure. See that? So I'm testing the wires on the car communication computer. See that? It's getting voltage. It's not a voltage supply problem. So it has to be a mouse bus communication problem now. See those two wires there? I'm testing the red one there, right here. Sorry I can't auto zoom the thing. And this one right here. This one is touching on the brown wire right here over there. And so on. So you see that? The voltage is alright on the wiring. It's just a mouse bus communication problem at fault. And this one, I can take up all of this crap now. All of these are antenna wiring. Squeeze these and take this shit up. Squeeze in this like this. And lift. There it goes. And these now you have to pull up this fan here. Alright, that is off. Turn this battery around. Try to find a way to this beast is a very difficult beast to fix. I wanna pull this wires thing at tight. Alright, I have to have a pick to depress this to take it out. Alright, I have to have a pick, so this video is supposed to be done now. Alright, I have 16 seconds left, so I'm gonna get a pick in my bag. Fuck, 6 seconds left. Pick up my my tester.